Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Be sure and like and subscribe for all your welding tips in the pipeline industry. Just so you know, everybody out here, we got to have grinders. They make several different sizes, several different kinds. In no way, shape, or form has this company sponsored anything. This just happens to be the one I choose to use. They got the big 9-inch grinder that frankly is a great grinder. They hardly ever burn up. Problem is, they're just heavy as hell. So, these 9-inch, this goes in the trash. This guard goes in the trash. This goes in the trash. This disc goes in the trash. This handle goes in the trash. And this is all you need right here. Everything else goes in the trash. What do you do if the inspector comes up and say, "Where's the guard for that grinder, son?" Be like, "It went in the trash with the handle." Now, we got to keep the guards. Anyway, this is my grinder of choice. Not too big, not too small. Can still do everything we need to do. But at the end of the day, got to have a good grinder. Frankly, my helper tears up every grinder I ever buy. He just burned up my other one last week. We've been using my faithful backup. But golly, it's just so heavy. And after a long day of work, you can see the difference. Boy, they don't burn up. They don't quit. But golly, they're heavy. So, got me another 7-inch. Now, my barrel torches. The other day we talked about your supplies, your tools, that sort of thing. These are barrel torches. They go in the beveling machine. If you look back at my video on how to set up a beveling machine or cutting 12-inch bevel on pipe, I don't remember what I called it, you got to have barrel torches. Long barrel, short barrel. The short barrel works most everything until you need to put dogs in a beveling machine. Then you got to have a long barrel. So, my short barrel quit. I had to rob this off of this. This oxygen lever doesn't shut off all the way, so I got to get it rebuilt. So I've been using my long barrel. I might steal this out of this to put in here. I know how to take them apart and do everything, but I'll probably just have it rebuilt. So, 7-inch grinder works good. Hope y'all keep checking in. I appreciate you for watching. If you have any questions in the comments, let me know. I will gladly make another video or respond to you in the comments to answer any questions you might have. Be looking forward to another video out real soon. We're going to pull my truck out of the shop, get set up. We're going to make a video on a 6G welding test. That's on a 45. So y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching.